Hello guys, this is Butch and Lizzie's Life in the USA. Tonight for dinner we're having scallops and rice. Here's the scallops. Does not look good. And Lucy made these. She put some lemon, black pepper, parsley. What else?
That's not parsley.
Oh, that's not parsley.
Cilantro, I think.
Oh.
No, honey. Wait, you can remember.
Don't do what? Well, anyways, that's what we're having for dinner. And soy sauce, right?
What do you think?
I like it. I like it.
It's good.
You know,
Thank you.
What about you? What do you think?
I love it.
You love it? Uh-oh. She got some dry fish here, too. Let me show you. That's dry fish. See? Yeah.
Honey, my hair, my clothes, the last box, because I stamp, because we also stamp, look what happened.
Oh.
I know.
Is that grease?
No, that's the dabber, because we use the dabber in the box, yeah.
Was that like ink?
You know when you dab the bingo?
You're right. Bingo. Yeah. Was you guys playing bingo at work or what?
No, we use that, hon.
Oh.
We use that.
What's it for?
You have to dab, make sure they mark that. Mark with dabber. Box.
What do you mark, the outside the box or what? For the product?
Outside the box. Where's the label?
Does it say anything? Does it say anything? When you dab it? When you dab it.
Okay, what?
Does it say anything? What does it say? What does it read? Anything?
Nothing, it's just dump and dab in here.
Oh, it's just a marker.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like when you with bingo paper.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This dry fish is it's okay.
You have to eat, Filipino, food. Any food of Filipino, you have to eat.
Becoming Filipino.
Yeah.
But I'm not using my hands. I do sometimes.
You have to try Filipino food. Thank you. You open my water, honey. Thank you.
I don't remember opening it. Water is too big. Call it too big.
Too big in the Philippines. Kain na tayo. Mga kakapwa Pilipino. Halina. Everyone, you can join us. I give a prayer first before I start eating. You know, God is bless us. You know, He bless our food.
That's nice. How was work?
Tired, honey.
Hard?
Mm-hmm.
Me too. If they're asking people for shutdown, if they want to work,
Mm-hmm.
you could work
Are you?
for inventory or be off 3 extra days.
Mhm.
Well, nope. I picked off 3 extra days without pay.
Mm.
I'd rather have the time off.
Yeah.
I love Christmas break.
What day?
I'm not sure. I think 24th is the last day, I think.
I picked 24, 26, 27.
25th we get
My
off.
vacation. And now we have to work now. If you don't have vacation, you have to work the 23rd,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, 22nd, 23rd, 24, and then 27, 28. And then 30 and 31 you have to work. And the New Year's, you know. Christmas
write,
Eve. You mean you have to Christmas Eve.
I'm gonna write the dates down
And New Year.
tomorrow.
I know, I mean New Year's Eve you have to work New Year's Eve. The 30 and New Year's Eve.
So I might be off 8-9 days, I think.
Lucky you. You're not. And then
I'll take the time. I need it.
and then
Maybe
I
I'll
still have one more. I'm gonna use that for New Year's Eve, but I have to work the 30.
I'm gonna try to visit some people
Mm.
around the holidays.
Are you working the 30?
Probably not.
That's Monday.
30th?
Mm-hmm.
No, I get paid for that. I get paid for for Christmas. I think Christmas Eve or
Christmas.
2 days. Then for New Year's Eve and New Year's, I think. So we get paid for those 2 days. 4 days total.
How are the things now?
What?
Supposedly you don't work New Year's Eve. Now you have to work New Year's Eve and Christmas Eve.
No, we get paid 4 days for holidays. So that's good.
Oh,
So 3 days we won't.
it's crazy. All the things.
I just don't want to do inventory. I mean, it's easy, but I don't have time off.
Mm-hmm.
Get a lot of things done around here and
Mm-hmm.
get my YouTube channel up and running pretty good.
Oh, no.
What?
No.
Oh, nothing? I thought you said something. Last one.
Mm-hmm.
I like
No,
those.
no.
Well, go ahead.
Mm-mm.
That's yours.
Mm-mm.
Oh, okay, give it here.
Mm.
I ate it.
It's mine, however.
It's cold outside. I think it's 29 degrees.
Yeah. I heard they said it's 30.
When today? Probably was, but when I drive it home, I seen the sign. It says 29 degrees.
Yeah, down. Went down.
Want some dry fish, guys? Try it. Hey, he's looking at you. Look at that. That eyeball still
So I
there.
couldn't see that.
I'm just teasing around, joking. I'm just joking. Having some fun.
I'm gonna prepare the rice.
You want a napkin?
And the rice
Oh,
done with it.
well.
I said, give me your rice because you're done wasting. I said,
I heard what you said. I was taking a drink of my water.
oh, you said, oh, you want to see that. You're cooking in a drum.
You what?
You already said that.
Speak loud.
You
You know? She's being funny tonight. A little bit.
I don't want to, wasting the rice. Okay, see, he always wasting sometimes, all the time, rice.
Well, Lucy, she's able to eat a lot of rice, and I only eat a little bit. I like rice, but not like that. Not a lot. Like I said, I like potatoes, mashed potatoes, baked potatoes, all that. So, yeah, thanks for looking in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. Have a good evening. Thanks for looking in.